We built this room and we decided to put one of these Mr. Heaters in it, and you can mount it on the wall or it's got feet. So we just mounted it on the wall. Well, they don't tell you, and generally you turn this to that position, you push down on it, and you push this button right here, and it'll make a little spark, and that's what ignites it, like that. Well, it quit working. It stopped doing that. So I looked up everywhere to find out how do you replace that battery. And there's no instructions on how to replace this battery. And I recently put a fan in the back of it. I looked around for a battery compartment. There's no battery compartment. Finally, I discovered it's all right here. Unscrew this. It's got a AA battery in it. Take the AA battery out. Put another battery in with that little nubbin towards the top. That's it. That's all there is to it. And I decided to make this video because nobody else has this video. See, now it works. So now you just push it down, push a little sparker, there it goes. So that's all there is to replace the battery, and nobody's got a video on YouTube or anything that tells you how to do it. So I figured might as well show people how to do it. That's it.